Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into how to comment on tasks in Todoist, your trusted productivity tool. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to open your Todoist app. Now, that might seem obvious, but remember, commenting is all about engagement and communication. If you're not in the right place, you can't start the conversation, so make sure you're in the Todoist app and ready to go. Next up, navigate to the task you'd like to comment on. You can do this by either searching for the task in the search bar or by clicking on your project and scrolling to the task. The reason we do this is to make sure we're commenting on the correct task. It's crucial to ensure all our inputs are precise and targeted. Now that we've done that, click on the task to open up the task detail view. This is where you'll find all the information about the task, including its description, due date, and importantly, the comments section. Clicking on the task brings us one step closer to adding our comment and helps us ensure we're working on the right task. Once you're in the task detail view, look for the Add Comment button. It's usually located at the bottom of the screen. Click on it and a new window will pop up, giving you a space to type your comment. This helps us because it allows us to add valuable insights, ask questions, or provide updates about the task. Go ahead and type in your comment. Be clear and concise, as your comment is a means of communication with your team or a way for you to make notes for yourself. Once you're done, hit the Post button to publish your comment. The reason we do this is to ensure that our thoughts, updates, or questions pertaining to the task get documented right where they belong. And that's it. You've successfully commented on a task in Todoist. To wrap up, remember that commenting on tasks in Todoist is a vital part of task management. It allows for better collaboration, understanding, and organization. So don't shy away from using this feature to its fullest. Whether you're using Todoist for personal or team productivity, keep those comments coming. They're your pathway to clear, concise, and effective task management. That's all for today, folks. Stay productive, keep communicating, and remember, Todoist is here to help you stay on top of your game. Thanks for joining us today.